Hello friends and welcome to What's Logic. And actually in this video, as I said, we'll be overlooking pages section. So let's go to all pages, and then one sample page is available here. Let's edit it only. And friends, you can see here that actually it has already some text on it, and this is actually default part of WordPress website. So friends, you can now see here that it has different what we say, widgets, different widgets friends. And actually it has page attributes, featured image. So now you understand that what actually featured image is. So you can set it page attributes friends. What actually page attributes are is uh, I'll explain it afterwards friends, because that's something different, and it's maximum times of new use. So now actually let me tell you actually what is permalinks friends. Permalink is actually something that what would be link of your page. So you can edit it, by clicking this button, and then you can edit it, like for example, if you want this page name is to be What's Logic, or actually you want it to be home, so you can edit it from here and then click on OK. And then when I'll refresh this page, you'll see that it's no more longer located on this link. It's actually located on this page, because that's what the processor of WordPress says. But when I'll go to home also, it will say that actually it's the same page, and it says cannot be found, because friends actually we haven't updated it. And when I'll refresh it, it's actually available on home, this link. So that's what actually a permalink is and how you can change it. And friends, to add media in your web page, you can add it from here, add media. And then for example, if you want to add this image, or actually let me upload a video to this page. So for example, Samsung S9, and let me do it and remove this. Then you can see friends that our video has been now inserted to this page. And when I'll publish this, update this page, you can see here then that video must appear. Actually let me open this post. Friends, it's not available because I think there's something error. Oh, yeah, we are on different page friends. Let me refresh sample page. Yes friends, now it has been located. And when I'll play this video, you can see here that it plays on, you can see here. And sound is not being played due to some reason. I think there's something error and all around there. So that's how you can insert videos in your pages friends. And you can insert any kind of media over there. And actually let me tell you something different things. Like for example, actually you can mark different text in your page as different categories. For example, if this is a paragraph, you can set it as paragraph or heading 1, which will make it bold and bigger, and it will make search engine understand that actually this is heading of your web page, but it's not actually not. So let me change it to paragraph, as it is a paragraph. And for example, the heading of this page was Samsung S9, so let me change it to Samsung S9. So you can set it as a heading by click on heading 1, and then you can say it become bigger. And let me make it bold, and then italic means it would become something like its angle will change, in other words. And then you can make it centered by clicking on this one, and then you can align it on other side by clicking on this thing. And actually you can make it bulleted by clicking on this. You can see here a bullet appears here, it's for list. Or actually you can click it numbered, so by clicking on this, you can see it's numbered list. You can put it in quotes by clicking on this. Actually it's something different, is black quote. And then you can insert a link. For example, if you want to insert a link, you can click on and put URL, for example And friends, whenever anyone will click this, he will be redirected to microsoft.com. Let me refresh this, and then let me show you. Whenever I will click this, friends, I will be redirected to microsoft.com. And friends, that's what it is, how to insert link. So that's how, friends. It's toggle toolbar. You can add more toolbar, for example this one. So you can add more options by clicking on this one. And then for example, if you want to make it colored, so you can go ahead and make it any color. So you can see here its color changes. You can actually insert any special character inside this. You can also horizontal add in horizontal line between this by this one. Actually, let's make it Z and insert a horizontal line over here. So horizontal line is fine. And now friends, you can also paste text over here, clear formatting, decrease incident. You can experiment with all these options available here, friends. And that's what actually a page is, and different options related to it.